So, hello, my dear guys. This is Learning with Ganesh. Welcome you all. And this is the sequel of Class 10 Science Project in a chemistry. Already, I have given you, in the last time, I have given you one experiment to study the properties of acetic acid that you can put as experiment number 4. And now we are doing experiment number 5A. We are doing 5A. So, hello my dear students, be ready with all your material requirements, whatever things I have given you, your project paper, your pens with different colors. Now start writing. Now the first thing is aim. What is aim? To observe the action of zinc, Zn, iron Fe, Cu copper and aluminium Al metals on the aqueous solution of zinc sulfate Zinc sulfate means that is the formula is given ZnSO4. Aqu means aqueous solution. Now, what is the purpose for this? The purpose is all the four materials Zn, iron, Cu, aluminium, all we have to arrange in to arrange the metals according to their reactivities. According to their reactivities, we have to arrange. Now, for this, to arrange the reactivities, we need some certain requirements. The second is requirements. You can write with a black pen, and the below one, write with a blue pen, that is solution of zinc sulfate, test tubes, pieces of metals, namely zinc, iron, copper, aluminium. That's all. These four pieces of metals were required, because these four only we are just dealing with this experiment. Now, what is the basic principle involved? Now, before doing this, just we will see the original colors of the various solutions. Whatever the solutions we are taking, we will take the original colors. Now, make a chart like this. In the chart, in the first column, make the name of the substance. Second column, formula of the substance. And third, original color of the solution. Now, first one, what we have done, what we are taking, zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate solution, formula is ZnSO4, ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, copper sulfate, CuSO4, aluminium sulfate, Al2SO4 whole 3. And what are the original colors of these substances is that the original color of zinc sulfate is colorless, ferrous sulfate is green, light green, copper sulfate blue, and aluminium sulfate is colorless. Now, next studying reactivities of the metal. Now, you see this column is A. The original color of the various substances what we are taking, that is put A, and now this is B. Reactivity of metals. If metal X replaces metal Y from its aqueous solution, then what happens? Two things. Metal X is more reactive than metal Y. If metal X replaces metal Y, that means X is more reactive. Metal Y, this thing we can write in another form. Metal Y is less reactive than metal X. Here is X is more, here Y is less. Now, if we take the reverse one, reverse means what? If metal Y replaces metal X from its aqueous solution, then metal Y is more reactive than metal X, or metal X is less reactive than metal Y. Okay, these are the things, basic principles involved. Now, for doing experiment, what are the steps we have to follow? And the second heading is, you can write with a black pen, steps of experimental procedure for interaction of metals with zinc sulfate solution. Now, what are the points? First of all, take 4 clean test tubes and paste a strip of paper on each one. 4 सफ़ेद और 4 एकदम साफ सुथरे क्लीन टेस्ट ट्यूब्स लीजिएगा और हर टेस्ट ट्यूब में मार्क करिएगा ABCD करके. That what we are doing. The second, mark the test tubes as A, B, C, D respectively. Take zinc sulfate solution in each test tube. Dip a clean piece of zinc metal in a solution of test tube A. टेस्ट ट्यूब A में डालते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग को जिंक सल्फेट के साथ ही इन सबको देखना है, बिकॉज इन द प्रीवियस वन वी हैव टुक जिंक सल्फेट सोल्यूशन में ही हम इसके एक्शंस को देखेंगे. सो हम चारों में ABCD चारों में जिंक सल्फेट सोल्यूशन दे करके सबसे पहले A में जिंक मेटल डालेंगे. B, dip a clean nail of iron in the solution of test tube B. Dip a clean wire of copper in solution of test tube C. And dip a clean wire of aluminium metal in the solution of test tube D. Now, after some time, what we will see, we will record our observations as shown in the table. For observations, write interaction of zinc, iron, copper, aluminium metals with zinc sulfate solution. Now make a chart like this: serial number, experiment, observations and inference. 3 things you have to write. Pause the video, make a chart with your pencil, either on your white page or on your rule page. Now first, number A. Number A, solution of zinc sulfate plus zinc metal. Solution of zinc sulfate plus zinc metal. So what do we observe here? There is no change, because zinc sulfate, zinc metal, both are same, so no change. So, and here is, there is equilibrium between Zn to the power plus 2 ions, we can read, plus Zn. The equilibrium. Now second one, solution of zinc sulfate plus iron metal. What happens? Here also we are seeing there is no change. Why? Because in the reactivity series you have already learned iron is less reactive than zinc, or you can write the same thing, zinc is more reactive than iron. You can write any one or else you can write both as it is given in your screen. The third, number C, solution of zinc sulfate plus copper metal. What happens? There is no change, here also no change. Why? Because copper is less reactive than zinc, same as iron. Because in the reactivity series, iron, copper, we will see below to the zinc, or you can write zinc is more reactive than copper. And the last point is solution of aluminium metal. What happens? There is a new coat of aluminium metal. Why? Because aluminium is more reactive than zinc. So in the reactivity series, we can write. Or you can do one thing also, you can write somewhere in the white side or in the rule paper the reactivity series which is already given in your textbook, that you can write. Now the last part of this experiment is that conclusion. What we have seen, we learned certain things, that Fe iron is less reactive than zinc, or else we can write zinc is more reactive than iron. This is the first point. And second point, copper is less reactive than zinc, or else you can write zinc is more reactive than copper, same thing. But the third one is a little bit different, because aluminium is more reactive than zinc. That's why we got a new coat on the aluminium metal when it was dipped in a zinc sulfate, because aluminium is more reactive than zinc. So my dear students, that's all in this video. This what we can say 5A. Now in the coming video, just I will give you the same experiment with 5B, because that one time we have seen zinc sulfate, and 5B we will see the same thing, but this time we are changing the solution, that is iron sulfate, FeSO4. So bye students, wait for the coming video.